regalo ko sa akin.
Ano to? Ba't ayaw manok?
Ay. Oh, naputol sa video kay ate.
Wow, headband!
Headband.
Wow, expensive.
Kapagay din na sila.
Ayan, pakikiran ko. Uy!
Ha?
Twin nga kayo, twin.
Yung pang ano, yung ano, kunwari ka.
Parang parehas. Twin daughter.
Parehas ka eh.
Oh, diba?
Wow!
Twin
Ano
son,
to eh,
twin daughter.
Ang tawag doon,
Michael Spin.
yung pang ano sa tindera.
Oo. Hindi,
Body.
pag ganun yan, saka pag ganun.
Belt bag.
Ba't sinira mo na agad yung ano?
Eh, gagamitin ko eh.
Ah, gagamitin mo na. You like it?
Yes.
Ganda, no?
Hindi yun na.
Yes.
Wow, ganda naman. Ganda naman ah.
Ganda, di ba? Oh, next. Ikaw naman, di.
Yun lang.
Ayun na. Ilang piraso yan? 1. 1, 2. Kay ate, 1, 2.
Ano ba itong luwagan?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. O yeah, 8 pieces yung regalo ko sa'yo. Oh, ang bagay sa'yo, ate. Wow.
Tindera.
Parang ang taas.
Ayan.
Okay.
Sa pusa ito ah. Pag ano?
Hindi, pag nagsishampoo yan sa buhok. Sa mga girl.
Girl?
Yung dalawa kasi hindi man mapagbili ng mga damit yan, kaya yun ang binili sa la. Kaya ni Ransel lagi nabili.
Kaya okay lang
Ang
ba?
bagay sa'yo.
Okay lang sa ang gawin sa mga damit.
Oo nga, eh. Hindi ka pwede. O, di, next.
Sa birete lang
Dito
ako.
ka.
Wow!
Ah, from Mami.
What is this?
Open.
These are
Wow, all good.
these are very nice shirts.
Yeah, yeah.
These are very nice.
Yeah.
Wow,
All good
nice.
for you.
I appreciate a lot. These are very
Yeah,
nice.
yeah.
Oh yeah, it fits you.
Raptors.
Have you seen this before? Come on. Look at the back of this. How sick that is.
Yeah.
It's all Mustang.
Mustang.
Forward, yeah.
All good. All good.
Yes, yes, all good.
Kailangan natin ang packer.
What's this?
Nasay ko lang
Ang
buo.
nagtamali ako, iba yun. Diba, dami kong gift sa'yo daw.
Look, the front and the back.
Looks good.
Ano this lang?
Makahipa. Iimpis mo agad. Sige sa daddy mo. Look, look. Yes! Ganun mo.
Oh,
Wow!
Honda. Toyota. Ford, sorry.
Kia.
Ford,
Yeah.
same.
Kia.
Kia, doon na Kia.
Kia's off.
Pero, thank you so much. Model.
See? I have so much gift for you. That's number 2.
What is this? What the?
Hindi nasa isa mong phone. Like na may isa.
Pwede ba yan? Hindi. Oh, sige.
Wow!
Oh, tingnan sa daddy mo.
Wow! Wow! Wow!
Wow, thank you so much. I
See?
like
Wow!
it.
Wow!
I really like
Mommy,
it.
see? I
Wow.
bought lots of clothes for you.
Wow! Nice!
Oh my God!
Your
My
favorite.
favorite.
I find long time.
Scorpion.
What are those?
Scorpion.
What's that?
Scorpion.
Music. Band. It's a band?
Yeah, band. Yeah,
Ah.
rock band.
Yeah.
And Led Zeppelin. Oh, my favorite.
Yes.
Almost heavy metal.
Ooh, you got a bag, huh?
Yeah.
You can put your things in there.
Gusto niyo i-live
Oh, this
ko?
one that...
Okay.
Yeah,
Wow. See?
this one also.
That is expensive.
Yeah.
You're holding nothing.
Yeah, his favorite.
Oh my God.
No, he's holding nothing. What do you mean? There's nothing there.
Oh, I like it better. I like it.
Okay, thank you, mommy.
Okay.
And,
What else?
Mag-live pa ba tayo? Huwag na.
oo.
What else? That's it?
Yeah.
Sliding around in your blue thing.
Ay,
Ayun, that's it. Ang dami mga ganyan.
Ayan, nasa dito ah.
Okay, it's my turn.
Look at this.
What's the price?
Look at this. Needs to be sliding around on your
Yeah,
blue
I
thing.
don't know why it's always said.
$150?
Yes. Expensive.
Naka-live to.
Okay, it's my turn to open the gift. Mine. Because daddy didn't buy gift for me, I buy for myself.
Lahat na nagbigay na, binalak ko.
I bought everything.
Ay, nawala yung wifi.
Yes. Oh. Maybe that phone is full memory, that's why.
Full memory na.
Yeah.
Yes.
You see big bags.
Wow! What is that? What is that?
What's that?
Wow. Wow. A one, a two.
What is Wow! I
Surprise!
want that!
Surprise!
I want that!
Hoy! Ano kayo ni Ransel eh?
I like it!
Kayo ni Ransel magkamukha.
Are you surprised?
Yeah!
Yeah.
He bought that!
I know.
Gift for myself. Every year I buy gift for myself.
But it-
Meaning pa kinyo
you use
nito
my
na
credit
Apple
card.
Watch.
Parang kang tanga.
It was a surprise when she walked in the store.
Yeah, nah, this not surprise because gift for myself. Ano to step?
I don't know.
Kaya tayo tayong dalawa.
Wait.
Siya ate nagagamit siya.
May palit tayo. Gusto mo black?
Pag hinanap ko to, wala. Kinuha ni ate. Ano ba to? My body very big. Okay. Yeah, that's okay. I need to adjust. Okay.
What else? Oh,
Ah, Clark, iabot mo sa amin, gift mo sa amin. Yung gift mo sa amin. Yung sa akin. Diba? Gift niyo ni Daddy. Ito ba yan? O, ito nga.
Wow! Binalot mo yan?
What is this?
Binalot ni Mama. Binalot natin.
Anong binili? Daddy mo, bumili na ito sa kasi Clark.
Oh, what the? Oh.
Oh, no!
Carter!
expensive one.
I don't like this.
No, this one's not.
Just come behind.
What is that?
Surprise!
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 Ilabas mo, ilabas mo.
Apple Watch! It's pretending.
Very expensive!
Ba't may resistor?
I thought this say, if sale with
Human.
It's more of a surprise for your dad in a bad way.
Yeah, I know the
Right.
price.
This is Series 12.
no. Expensive.
Series 12.
Ay, ba't naman? Di ba? What?
Complete accessories. Thank you. Thank you, Bunchoy. Turn to that in.
Pull the back.
Okay. Thank you, thank you. Ang mahal naman na
I don't know where my mom got it.
Okay, the main event.
Ano to?
Where?
Yeah.
Mayroon pa, one more.
Hindi, this,
Display?
ready to open this.
Picturean nyo kaya?
Okay, mamaya na picture, video mo na.
No!
Ano kaya ito?
Wait, i-pause nyo muna to.
This very intriguing. Long time.
Ay!
I don't know what is this. Thank you, ate.
This is
Wow, what's that?
I don't like, very expensive.
okay, let us open.
O, ikaw muna din. That half may still eh, kahit na-close up mo ganun.
Wait,
Okay,
freebie lang yan.
Hmm?
Ano yan? Parang
bilisan mo lang magbukas.
mga lipstick.
Eh, akin to, hindi sa daddy mo.
Ay,
Ba't sa daddy mo binibigay? Ah, lipstick ba to?
sample.
Wow. Ay, ito. Wow, I have a
Okay,
lipstick.
open na to.
Okay, open. Thank you, ate. Ang ganda naman ng gift natin.
Wow, Apple Watch.
From Buncho. Apple Watch, iPhone. Diyos ko dahil.
iPhone.
Ay, iPhone. Innocent talaga ka. Ano to? iWatch. And then ito kay ate. Louis Vuitton na bag. Nakakainis ang mahal na to.
Uy, ano yan?
Wow! Ganyan natin. Wow, ang ganda. Wow. Yung bag niya, ang kapal. Wow, wow. Hindi yan. Ito. Ay, ang ganda.
Wow.
Pan-travel. Yeah.
Louis Vuitton, my God.
Ba't dalawa, Estel? Ano to?
Hindi, kakabit niyo yan.
Hindi, ba't dalawa?
No.
Kung gustong kaliwa, kung gustong
Yeah.
Hindi ni Clark to.
Wow, ang ganda
It's a body bag.
naman.
Yes, body bag, something like this.
Nice.
Belt.
Wow.
Gaganon mo. Iganon mo. Ganun.
Belt nga.
I-extend.
Gandang
Okay,
kapal.
thank you.
oh.
Thank you, my beautiful
Kapal.
daughter. From my beautiful daughter.
Oh,
Bili yung kay mami. May envelope yan eh. Nasaan yung envelope?
$1,000 inside.
may pera? Yes. Aba, at may pera pa.
Ha, wala.
Kala kay may pera.
Ano yung sinuswerte?
Oh, resibo.
Hindi. Book
Ah,
lang yan.
manual.
Manual.
Inosente ako. Ah, ito naman.
Hindi, ano
akin.
lang yan, language.
Ah, tapos ay daddy mo ako naman.
Wow! Kay mami pinakahigante.
Oh, no.
What the hell?
Wow.
Louis Vuitton.
Ba't ka bumibili ng ganito kamahal? Magkano tong mahal na?
Kinuha ni Clark.
Palit daw kayo ayun.
Oh, magagal si ate niya.
Kasi bukasan. Paano
Sa ilalim.
Ito.
Pa yan. Hindi yan pinipindot.
Ay, paano ba yan?
Hindi.
Inosente.
Uy, baka masira niya yung kahon.
Hindi, ito nga.
Hindi hatak yan.
Ayun. Ay, ganun
Sabi
pa.
siya, alak na ito eh. Oh my God.
Oh, no. Wow! Thank you, ate. Ganda nun, kapal. Ayokong tingnan.
Ah,
Wow! Ang ganda!
Wow!
Did she buy that for herself again?
No, I bought it.
Oh, nice.
Oh, na, my shoulder big.
meron na siya pamalengke.
A real surprise.
Yeah.
Wow! Wow! Ang mahal na to ah. Wow!
May resibo ba to?
Wow!
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Oh shit, baka makita niyo yung price.
Ah!
Hindi, okay lang.
Ay, itinanggal pa pala.
Wow!
Ay!
Wow! Ang kapal, no? Wow!
I like this.
Thank you, ate. Ang kapal-kapal.
May ano yan sa loob, tag. Ay, yung ano, name tag.
Ah!
May pangalan na ako.
Ganda naman. Ano ba ito? Ganyan lang? Oo.
No, like,
Ginanong ko. Ang laki ng ano ko.
magpapayat na kayo.
Kailangan pumayat
You need to
ako.
reduce.
Wow, ang kapal.
Ate,
Ganda.
kaya alam niya ate yung aking gusto mo.
Wow, mahal na to. Ganda. Bagay sa aking iWatch. Kailangan ganito lang bit-bit ko dito.
Hindi, shoulder yun.
Shoulder.
Ayun.
Kasi yung kili-kili ko, nakasagal. Hindi ba ito nai-adjust?
Hindi.
I like it. I like the size.
Wow.
Small.
Yes.
Ang mahal naman na ito.
Not so
Thank
not
you,
big.
ate. Wow. Ganda. Nagkabagay ng mamahalin.
Ako rin, kapag bin ako ng mamahalin at
Thank you, ate.
branded.
Ay, no.
Ay, putiki.
Pagsiklag ka mga pagtrabaho, malamang Armani. Naglag.
Ganda. Ay, sandali.
Pwede siya pang kaliwa-kaliwa.
Lagi yung pangalan ko. Yan. Hindi, gaganyan ko na lang. Bayo pa yan.
Lalagay mo ay.
leather ng Louis eh.
Oo, yung yan.
Kasi ako yung kili-kili ko.
Parang ano yan eh. Dog tag. Pig tag la pig tag.
Ilalagay. Kailangan ko
Hindi,
naman
pag,
tayo.
kapag nilagyan gamit, ayan, ganyan.
Bababatos. Bagay ba? Ay, pwede palang ganyan.
Ganyan talaga yan. Hindi pwede napakano.
Pati yung ganyan, ay,
Ilagay mo na yan.
Picture na. May picture na. Picture na mo ngayon, yung kita kami pa na. Ate, ay, tip, ka-picture na natin. Dati mo.
We're gonna go around town tonight.
So, everybody go travel.
We go to the bars tonight. We go to the bar.
Everybody has
Gay
bag.
bar.
We go travel. Ganda. Parang ang labo ng camera.
Ay, kukubensa ka. Ang laki ng box eh, oh. Parang pag nga yun, ha?
Ganda this. Si malulungan, lumipit.
yun.
Wow.
Palingan din ng dog.
Ba't binabawi?
O, picturean mo kami.
Maganda yan, maganda.
O, yung bag.
Hindi mo napansin ito, may level pa pala dito.
Kapal ng bag. O, supot pa lang, makapal na.
Kaya nga, kala ko nga itong arigan saan eh, ating girl.
Ganda, oh. Pag original pala, magaganda supot. Galing, ah. Ito pa bag ko?
Mas na mas ko sa ano, yung maganda yung lubutangan. Hindi malaki, hindi maliit. Sakto lang.
Teka, kasi iWatch ko. Oy, i-install mo na yung iWatch ko.
Yan ang magandang
Clark!
yan ang magandang size.
Wow.
Lalo talagang hindi nakalimutan yun.
Ang mahal na ito.
Tuloy natin.
Saka ito.
Hindi ko napansin ito, bulsa pa rin. Kita, hindi ko napansin. Kaya may kulang ito, lumok sa kasi hindi napansin. Hindi nga. Pero napansin ito.
The best gift ever, iWatch and Louis Vuitton. Thank you. I'm 17 years in Canada. Nagka-original.
Hindi aso.
Laga, install mo na. Gawin mo na.
Sarap paggalangin eh. Pwede na magalang mag-isa.
Ba't naka-tape?
Alin?
Ba't naka-tape?
Eh, binuksan siguro ng daddy mo. I-off mo na yung camera.
Brand new yan ah.
Kate, come!
Kahit,
Join! Estelle, you on
no, it's a video.
video pa yan.
Kaya uli kayo, sumisigaw.
Delete mo na lang.
Kailangan.
Oh! Hello! Happy New Year!
Naka-video yan?
Yes.
How can I eat this?
Happy New Year! Ang dami kong eyebag, oh.
Daming pagkain.
Hala, hindi makain.
Walang kumain ng spaghetti.
Kaya ito.
Ay!
Kaya ito.
Ha? Hala. Ewan ka sa ating
Alin?
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Sino gusto?
Tasty, huh? Zero sugar? Come on.
Cherry.
This one also zero sugar.
Stella, yellow.
Clark is a big fan of the cherry Coke. Zero sugar cherry Coke.
Kanina niya, anti-goiter.
Alin?
Yung gelatin.
Christoph, can you please cut the cake?
Thank you!
What knife do you want?
Any? The long
Big
one. Long one.
I need to charge.
Long knife.
This one?
Where's the charger? For iPhone. iPhone. Ay, ano? iPad.
iPhone. iPhone.
Where's the charger?
You're not drinking any wine?
Later.
Ah, yeah. Once New Year's hits, you're boozing up, huh?
Carter, how big?
Just, it's small. I just want to taste it.
Can you give me your plate?
Wala kang 1 month.
Oh, it's vanilla. Do you want the cherry?
No. Vanilla cake is really the best tasting thing. Oh yeah, put it on my plate. Why not? Let me tell you, vanilla cake is my favorite. Oh, it's chocolate. You bastard. You lied.
I thought it was.
You lied to me. You motherfucker. You piece of shit. You piece of shit. I can't believe you just lied to me like that to my face. I can't believe that, honestly. I'm about this close to turning it back to the 1940s up in this. Ooh. Not bad. Not too shaggy. Not too shaggy piece of cake when we cut it. Where are those?
Where's the charger?
Oh, charger?
Me.
Why?
Wow.
Hindi, yung
Christelle, will you gift?
Ano ba yan?
Ooh.
Bibigyan ko may salula.
May GPS niya?
Oo, ayun ang malapit sa ano.
Uy, ano yung nakali? Namali ng bigay.
Hindi ah. Mamamali ba yun? May barcode. Kasi ano i-upload ko?
Yung GPS ba?
Stop.
Parang sobra.
Wala kang bawat.
Ay, ang dahil kanina pa.
Kanina pa.
Wala kang panibago ulit ko.
Diyan naman yung
Ay, kailangan may lumpia. Di, wag mamantika yan. Ha? Kain ka ng kain.
Mabigil.
Ay, ka-video.
Ah, naka-video?
Ba't naka-video pa pala ang
Ay,
ganun?
naka-video pala yan.
Sinusundan tayo. Asa yung charger mo to?
Bakit pala ata?
Ah,
Music ka lang.
Bigumin natin yung makalat.
oh, here.
Tatanggalin kung babalik mo.
Hindi, yung resibo ibabalik. Hihingi ng discount, hindi ko ibabalik.
Ano yung laksa?
Ito, Clark. Oh. Mama, pag-alis mo to. So, i-charge. Yes.
Christelle, look at this. Yours?
Yeah, it's
Wow.
good looking to her because she's skin white skin. White skin.
Christelle, very pretty, huh?
Yeah. I bought the same. Francel too, I give the
Oh,
same.
nice.
Yeah, the same color. They are twin. Twin sister.
Ay.
I-charge ka. Ay, clean up, mag-bingo
Christelle.
tayo.
Christelle,
Clean up na.
are you and Rancel's sisters? From another mister? Nice.
Okay, bingo!
Starter, no?
Ay, pinatay na ba? It's okay.
Cheesecake.
Oh, yan ang ham.